Hello friends! Welcome back to my channel. This is my low carb recipes journey. Today, our recipe is low carb, no bake, triple chocolate. So don't forget to subscribe, click the bell button, like and share this recipe to your friends and family. My low carb recipes journey. So friends, first we will make the first layer of our chocolate cake. In the mixing bowl, I put 1.5 cup of almond flour or up to 2 cups. Depend on the size of your cake molder. I also add 3 tablespoons of dark cacao powder. And we just blend it. And also add 1/2 cup of melted butter, unsalted butter. And let's blend it. So our cake base are ready. We just flatten it. After we flatten the first layer, we just need to refrigerate it at least 30 minutes. Now we can make our second layer. I add 400 grams of coconut cream and 400 grams of coconut milk in low fire. I add 200 grams unsalted butter. Add 250 grams of cream cheese. Add 50 grams of 90% dark chocolate. In this recipe, I use 8 to 10 sachet of stevia. Any low carb sweetener is okay. Blend it well up to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can add the half cup of dark cacao, add 1/2 cup of coconut flour, add half teaspoon of salt, add 1 pack of pure gelatin powder, simmer up to 5 minutes. I also had 2 tablespoons of roasted black coffee, continue stirring and turn off the fire. Now we can pour our chocolate mixture into our base. Refrigerate it at least 4 hours. After 4 hours, let's melt dark chocolate, our third layer, with coconut oil. Now it's ready to pour the third layer chocolate of our triple chocolate cake. You can eat it, it's ready, but if you want, you can chill it up to 30 minutes. this is my version of low carb triple chocolate cake. So give me a thumbs up if you like it and give a review, comment below any suggestion of this triple chocolate cake. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this recipe to your friends and family. I love you all. Bye bye.